In this video, I'll detail how to add water ejection series shortcut. So if you have an iPhone and want to add water eject series to your iPhone, so that when you say, "Hey Siri, open water ejection" or water eject, this is going to eject water on your iPhone. Then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're at the end of this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to add water ejection series shortcut on your iPhone, all you need to do is open any browser. So this could be Safari or Chrome browser. Just open any of your favorite browser. Then once you open it, just go to google.com. Then on google.com, you want to search for water eject shortcut. So go ahead and tap that. And once you click on that, select the first result, which is shortcut gallery. Then this is going to take you to where to get the water ejection shortcut for your iPhone. Then come here, click on get shortcut. Then once you tap get shortcut, this is going to open the shortcut automatically on your iPhone. Then you need to hang on for the shortcut to load so that you can easily add the water eject shortcut to your iPhone. Then this is it. Then about this shortcut, you can also use it with Siri. When you say, "Siri, water eject," this is going to run the application on your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on add shortcut. Then you should see, then once you have that, this is going to add the water eject shortcut to your iPhone shortcut here. Now, if you click on this option once, then you should see that says water eject, start water eject, or go to water eject settings. Now, before you go ahead and use this water eject shortcut Siri, press these three dots. Then you should see this menu pops. Then this menu defines how the water eject shortcut was put together. However, the only thing you need to tamper with here is click on this drop menu opposite water eject. Then click on add to home screen. Then you can just change the color to your favorite color. Then after that, click on add at top right. Then this is going to add the water eject shortcut to your iPhone home screen. Then come back to your shortcuts, click on done. Now, when you want to use the water eject shortcut on your iPhone, you can just come to shortcut, click on water eject. Then here, click on start. Now you want to choose the level of the intensity. Here I'm going to go with 3. Then you should see your iPhone ejecting the water. So this is going to last like 12 seconds or more. Then after that, your iPhone water will be ejected. Another way you can use to launch the water eject shortcut on your iPhone is locate the water eject shortcut on the home screen like this. Then click on water eject. Go ahead and tap start. Then select the intensity level. So here I'll go with 3. Then once selected 3, then you should see this countdown and it's going to eject the water on your iPhone. Another way you can use to run the water eject shortcut, just say, "Hey Siri, water eject."
FS, F, water droplets, or
You see that? Then go ahead and click on
FF,
water eject.
FEFG, FGFG.
You see that? So that is how you can add water ejection series shortcut on your iPhone and even use it with Siri. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.